1965 Ford Mustang convertible here at Unique, especially in classics. A code car, 289, 4-barrel originally, has an Edelbrock 4-barrel on it now. 3-speed manual transmission. The 289 has been rebuilt, by the way. It sounds very healthy. We'll start it at the end of the video, let you hear it run. Power steering. Take a look at the chrome in the front bumper. Of course, that iconic Mustang front grille. Red paint showing well. Black vinyl interior. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see this car from every angle. Undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. This is a wheel. It is not a wheel cover, by the way. Radial tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, paint has a nice shine to it. That black vinyl interior, shifter on the floor. There is an aftermarket stereo that I have had working, kind of a retro sound style radio. Convertible top cover. There's a couple spots where it's missing the snap. Convertible top cover, but still fits on there nice and tight. And I will put that top up at the end of the video. Let you see that, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, the usual. Chrome in the rear bumper, looking good. Dual exhaust, of course, coming off of that 289. This car does have new wheel cylinders. Heater does work. Brakes are 100% in the front, 90% in the rear. Tires are date coded 2017 and in nice shape. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you see all the still pics. Couple of little snaps. And down the driver's side, again, free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Paint shows well. Nice shine to it. Laid on there nice and even. All right, door panels also look good. Seat belts in the front here. I've not noticed any rips, tears, holes, anything major in the vinyl seating surfaces. It's fired up. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. See the fuel gauge. I can power this stereo on if you want to see it powered on. Again, I did have that working earlier, as well as the wipers. Top of the dash looks good. Nice little rumble coming out of this 289 4-barrel. Let me slip up to the front. We'll check out this engine bay first, and I'll get the convertible top up. So give me a second. Let's get the hood open. All right, get a good look at the underside of the hood. Nice and clean. And here it is, 289. An A code car. You can see that stamp right in the fender. And power steering. There is a battery disconnect over here for when it's in between drives or maybe in storage. Sounds good, looks good underneath there. I'm going to pause this one more time. Let me get that convertible top up so we'll check out the condition of that. Manual top, I'm just going to fold it up. And we'll take a look, then stick around to the very end. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And the convertible top up. This is a new top. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Rolled the side glass up so you can see how that fits. Definitely no rips, tears, holes. Some of these kind of wrinkles would come out. You get it out in the sun a little bit. being that it was new and then folded up for the pictures and the videos. It will be a little bit wrinkled, but like I said, you get that out in the sun, a little bit of heat. But no rips, tears, or holes. Basically, just like new. And there you go. 1965 Ford Mustang convertible, A-code, 289 car, 4-barrel. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all those still pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1965 Ford Mustang convertible. We do have the top up today. Digital radio is working. This is a 3-speed manual on the floor. A little bit of creak in the clutch pedal, as you can hear. Sounds great. Nice rumble to this Mustang. Speedometer appears to be working. Showing 55 miles an hour. Our fuel gauge shows a little over a quarter of a tank, and the temperature about a quarter of the way up. It's still warming a little bit. Comfortable bucket seats in this Mustang. Factory horn works. Stays nice and straight in the lane. You even get a little bit of exhaust wrap noise as you downshift. Sounds good. Let's go down to first. Starting the traffic circle. The blower motor also works on this car. Corners the way a 65 Mustang should. Nice looking in red and black. Find all the pictures of this 65 Ford Mustang over at uniqueclassiccars.com.